In this video, you'll learn how to use Windsurf for free. This guide will take you through the steps required to set up and start using the application effectively. Begin by locating the Windsurf application on your device. This may be found in your Applications folder or on your home screen. Once you identify the icon, click on it to launch the application. Upon opening, you will be greeted with the main interface of Windsurf, which is designed for easy. Next, look for the option labeled Agent on the main screen. This is typically positioned prominently for quick access. Click on Agent to proceed to the next step. After clicking, you will see a new screen with various functionalities related to your. After that, find and click on the option that says New Session. This action will initiate the process of creating a new interactive session within the Windsurf application. Once you click this option, you should see a confirmation message indicating that a new session is being prepared. At this point, a cascade code will appear on your screen. This code is essential for the next steps as it links your session to a specific configuration. Make sure to take note of this code as you will need it for signing up. Now, you need to type in the required information to create a web app for your sign-up process. This typically involves entering details such as your email address and a preferred password. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid issues during registration. Once you have entered all necessary details, wait for Windsurf to generate your new session. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed and the application's current load. A confirmation message will appear once the process is complete, indicating that your session is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.